Hi, I'm Michael Booth from IFAW, the International Fund for Animal Welfare. I've recently returned from a trip to the Mexican island of Cozumel. The purpose of this trip was to document, both with photography and video, the problems that the island is facing regarding the overpopulation of dogs and cats. For the last 3 years, experts have been assessing the negative consequences of an unchecked rise in numbers of companion animals in this island. Many of the animals are now roaming wild and are having an impact on the local wildlife that includes sea turtles and other species like raccoons, possums, reptiles, rodents, and birds that are actually endemic to the island, meaning that these animals are only found there and nowhere else in the world. Some of these feral dogs and cats are also living in appalling conditions. The weaker and most desperate ones hang out in the island's dumpster, a scenery right out of a horror movie. Endless mounds of waste are home to thousands of vultures who compete with the dogs for food and ultimately survival. Smoke and fire are also permanent residents in this waste site, and which together with millions of flies and a sickening smell make capturing these dramatic events all the more difficult. Our hope is that these images will shed light into a desperate situation brewing in this beautiful Caribbean island, and help launch a possible IFAW community-led animal welfare project in Cozumel, an initiative that will help educate and find solutions towards a healthy population of companion animals, and also help with the conservation of one of Mexico's biodiversity hotspots.